Yes, this is one interesting study where a company, a biopharma company based in Japan, wanted to start its base or start its offices in US, Europe, and APAC, and it wanted us to finalize a catchment area or a good location where it can minimize its costs and it can help strengthen its uh, administration or help strengthen its businesses across clinical development, regulatory affairs, and business development. So specifically, client wanted us to select a location, any specific industrial cluster, which could be good for biopharma or medical ecosystem, and where the client wanted to do product development as well as clinical trial development. So what we try to understand is first we analyzed all the biopharma companies in US, different European countries and APAC, where they are located, which industrial clusters they are located, what are the economic benefits that these companies are availing by locating in those clusters, and are the raw material suppliers are close proximity to these industrial clusters. Second, if a company wanted to do clinical trial analysis or clinical development, or sourcing of the patients or sourcing of recruits for the clinical trials will be easy in such locations. Or if a company wanted to do regulatory studies, then coordination with different regulatory authorities, or even a specific catchment area or specific cluster is very close to other clinical research or CRO ecosystem for this company to develop the drug. So we try to uh, do analysis, benchmarking various biopharma companies and medical device companies where they are located in different geographies. What is the benefits for choosing that specific location in terms of economic benefits or in terms of operational process benefits, in terms of how is to develop a drug to do a clinical trials in such locations, and we gave a strategic advice to the client, top three locations in the US, top three locations in Europe, or top three locations in APAC, which could the client could think to establish their business operations or business which where other raw material suppliers are in close proximity and help the companies to reduce the costs.
Yeah, and I think this is another type of research that I think is we're starting to see demand for because of relocation or where people are setting up, thinking about relocation, etc. in the current scenario. So yeah, this is another example of the type of that we've got experience in doing these kind of studies. Ravi obviously is primarily worked, is primarily a healthcare expert, so all these examples are in healthcare, but we do lots of these kind of studies across different industries.